Hey Derek, it's Luke. I'm the CEO of CompanyCam. I saw you did design build stuff. Kind of wanted to reach out and just learn a little bit about what you do, a little bit about how you use CompanyCam.
We're architects, so we will do just design for a project, but we also have a division of our company that we do construction. That's mostly residential. So what I'm trying to use CompanyCam for was we had different project management software pieces in the past, and some of them work fine for photos, but we went in and out of those just because they weren't working very well for our model. I try to stress it to the guys as much as I can. Go take photos, take a bunch of them and tag them. So we use it for design so that we would know what existing conditions are to work with, and then we use it for different construction phases. It's always open in one of my tabs in my browser to refer to some particular condition